Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own AI doll action figure with ChatGPT in just a few simple steps. This is a fun and creative way to turn your photo into a stylized action figure image, and you don't need any advanced editing skills to do it. If you enjoy easy tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful videos. All right, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer or laptop. Once the browser is open, go to the search bar and type ChatGPT Action Figure Generator. Then press Enter and look through the results until you find an action figure generator tool that works with ChatGPT style image creation. Next, click on the Action Figure Generator option to open it. Once the page loads, look for the plus icon. This is usually the button you use to add an image or start a new creation. Go ahead and click the plus icon. Now you'll need to upload the image you want to turn into an AI action figure. Choose a clear photo of yourself or the person you want to create the figure for. After uploading, wait for the image to finish loading properly. Once the image is uploaded, go to the text box and type the command, "Create using this image." This tells the tool to generate the action figure based on the photo you provided. If the system asks for more instructions, you can add details such as the style, outfit, background, colors, or packaging look you want. You can make it more realistic, more cartoon-like, or more like a collectible doll. If you do not want to modify anything, you can simply type "Create" and let the tool handle the rest. The generator will then begin processing your image and creating your AI doll action figure. This part usually takes around 2 to 3 minutes, so be patient while the tool works. Avoid clicking away or refreshing the page during this time so the process can complete properly. Once it is finished, your custom AI action figure image will appear on the screen. From there, you can download it, save it, or share it however you want. And that's it! You've just learned how to create your own AI doll action figure with ChatGPT. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.